Hello students. So today we are going to study the principle of calorimetry. Principle of calorimetry is that is the heat loss equal heat gain. I have written over a P. This is the principle of calorimetry. Means heat lost by one body equal heat absorbed by the other body. With the help of this, we can find a specific heat of any other body, water equivalent of another body, and so on. So in this case, there is a container. Mass of container is mc. A specific heat of container is S, and in this container there is a fluid such as you can say water. So mass of the fluid or water is mh. I am taking this as a water, and a temperature of container water is same, that is the T naught, and a specific heat of water is 1. So in this, a hot body is dropped. In this hot body is this of mass m1, specific heat of hot body is C1, and temperature is T1. Whether hot body will reach over there, hot body will lose the energy, and lost energy equal gained by the water plus container. So this is the principle I am writing over here in mathematics. So mathematics of this heat lost by the this hot body. So that is mass of hot body m1 c1 and change in temperature. So that this hot body will come over here. So temperature of hot body, water and container will be same, and this temperature, let final temperature is T, final temperature is T. So temperature change in hot body will be T1 minus T equal energy absorbed by the water, that is mh, C specific heat of water, C I am taking C equal 1, and that change in temperature, this is T minus T naught, T minus T naught plus heat absorbed by the container. So that is mass of container m c and a specific heat and change in temperature, that is T minus T naught, T minus T naught. So this is heat energy absorbed by the container, this is by the water, and this is the heat lost by the hot body. This is the only answer. With respect to this, there are many questions can be framed, but principle is this. In this is the principle of calorimetry. This is the final answer. In this, if they are asking what is the specific heat of the hot body, this is not given, and in place of this container mc and s, water equivalent may be given. So if container water equivalent of container is W. This is written over here W. So in this you may write M1 C1 and T1 minus T equal mass of water mh, specific heat of water is 1, and T minus T naught plus MCS. In place of MCS you may write water equivalent W. This is same value is MCS is equal to water equivalent, meaning this, if there is given that if water equivalent of the container is this, so in place of this you will write W. So we can write over here water equivalent value, mass of water that will absorb same amount of energy that is absorbed by the container, and this is T minus T naught. So anything they can ask the temperature of this hot body. So other figures will be given. They are asking the specific heat of this or a specific heat of this may be asked. Container specific heat, so then a specific heat of this will be given, and the unknown body will be a specific heat of the container. So this is the question. What data is given, you substitute value. Unknown data you can find. Only if this container water equivalent is this, water equivalent of this also may be given, is basic heat of this. So water equivalent, that is M1 in place of M1C1, whatever the value of water equivalent is given, you will substitute over here. So this is the principle of calorimetry. On this base, this will be basic equations and their fundamental meanings. So you can clear whatever you need, you require. They are asking C1, you transfer this. If there is a C1, so C1 equal mH, temperature T minus T naught plus W, and T minus T naught. You can take this as a T minus T naught as a common. So it will be mH plus this divided by T1 minus T. So this is the simplification. This is nothing. C1 you are getting. This is simplification. Basic is this. Okay. This is the principle of calorimetry. In case you have any doubt, please without any haste ask me, comment me. I'll try my best to clear it. Okay. Best of luck.